Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling a common plumbing task, disassembling a Moen kitchen faucet. Whether you're replacing a leaky cartridge, fixing a spraying issue, or upgrading your faucet entirely, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Turn off the water supply. Locate the shutoff valves under your sink, one for hot water and one for cold. Turn them clockwise until they stop completely. You might need a flashlight to see clearly. Relieve pressure. Open the faucet handle to release any remaining water in the lines. Place a bucket underneath to catch drips. Identify your faucet handle type. Most Moen faucets have a single handle. Look for a small screw at the back of the handle base. It might be hidden under a cap. Use the appropriate Allen wrench or hex key to loosen the screw. Once loose, gently pull the handle straight up to remove it. Under the sink, find the braided metal supply lines connecting the faucet to the shutoff valves. There will be nuts on each end of these lines. Use the basin wrench or adjustable wrench to loosen them carefully. Be prepared for some water to drip out. Use the rags to catch any drips and wipe up any spills. Look for the mounting nut that secures the faucet to the sink from underneath. It will likely be located around the base of the faucet body. Use the basin wrench or adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the mounting nut. Once loose, unscrew the nut by hand and pull the faucet upwards to remove it from the sink. Congratulations! You've successfully disassembled your Moen kitchen faucet. Thanks for joining me on this disassembly journey. I hope this guide empowers you to tackle your Moen faucet repairs with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY plumbing adventures.